Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're doing monkey on a stick. So monkey on a stick, if you are a hypermobile body like me, it's possible in our bodies. It's just really hard not to hang out in our flexibility. I really have to work all of my upper back strength and my reach and my down stretch. If you're a tighter body, it's not as fun for many reasons, but it's less likely you'll hang out in your mobility, right? So if you have a guillotine, it's way more fun to me on the guillotine than it is on here. I feel like I have way more reach and strength, but this is what we have and what a lot of us have. And so here is what it is. I hope you enjoy it. You will stand with your heels together, toes apart, and grab onto your top of your trapeze. You can reach back like you're doing a horseback or an elephant, and then you're gonna lift up, snake your body through, become a sail on a ship, and really work that reach out there. So try not to hang out in your lower back. And again, pull yourself through, reach, and then pull back. And the faster you go, but not in a panic, reverse, the little bit more possible it is, because it is a little scary when you get out there, right? You're like, oh my God, how am I going to get back in? So something I have to keep working on, because I do know that the stronger I get my upper back, the way more length I can have way out there. But not having that strength in my upper back makes it a little bit more challenging, a little more scary to get out there. I'm like, how am I going to get back in? You do 3 in each direction. It's a great way to challenge your up stretch combo, challenge your breaststroke, challenge like horseback and push through and all of those things. So it's a fun way, it's a fun power ending, I think, in a workout. I'd love to hear how you feel and your body when you do it and what questions you have. Put them in the comments below. And remember, every question you ask helps us create those live tutorials on Tuesdays. It also helps us create different variations of exercises to help teach you ones that you struggle with just doing it normally. Also, every single month on onlinepilatesclasses.com, we have a 50-minute Cadillac workout that you can buy a la carte, or you can save some money and buy it as part of a membership. I love that you watch these. Thank you so much for all of your feedback, and I will see you next time.